And here's your Weather Extreme video for this Saturday, July the 18th. Meteorologist Bill Murray sitting in for Brian Peters, who will be out for a couple of days. Looking at the national map on this Saturday morning, it looks like someone has spilled a bucket of orange paint all the way from Wisconsin to the Gulf Coast, including here in Alabama. We've got heat advisories from the National Weather Service. And if you look back to the Southwest, you've got flash flood watches in unusual places. The deserts of California and Nevada, Arizona, thanks to Hurricane Dolores and her moisture, which will be shunted up into the southwest this weekend. In the Atlantic, one disturbance of note, that's a tropical wave running into hostile conditions as it approaches the Lesser Antilles. Shouldn't develop. A ridge of high pressure over the southern United States, keeping us hot and dry. Back to the southwest, you can see the vorticity associated with Hurricane Dolores over the Pacific. And the water vapor imagery clearly showing those hot and dry conditions thanks to that ridge of high pressure from Texas to the Carolinas. And precipitable water shows that a slug of moisture over the Alabama-Mississippi border caused those showers yesterday along I-65. High temperatures today will be quite hot across much of the country. How about San Francisco, though? 67 today. Boy, we'd trade for that. We'll be in the upper 90s here in central Alabama. Yesterday's highs, 95 at Haleyville, 93 at Coleman, 94 in Addison, 96 in Birmingham. Tuscaloosa hit 100, and you can expect more of the same today. Middle to upper 90s across much of the region with an emphasis on upper 90s, 96 to 98 generally across the I-20 corridor. Heat advisories are in effect from the National Weather Service. That's for heat index values that will be between 105 and 110 today. If you'll be outside, stay hydrated and take frequent breaks. Ridge of high pressure over the southern United States will keep us hot and dry through Monday and Tuesday. But as we head toward midweek, you can expect to see some bit of a buckling of the ridge over the eastern United States. And if we believe the GFS model, it could lead to some showers and thunderstorms, at least scattered in nature and a little more prevalent than we would see in a typical summertime period. But the rain chance is still Wednesday through Friday, only about 30 to 50% from what it looks like right now. Some model divergence, the GFS and the European. The European a little drier, concentrating most of the rainfall late in the week around Thursday night into Friday. And the GFS spreads it out over time, giving us about 0.8 of an inch of rain to an inch of rain before it is all said and done. That's your Weather Extreme video for this Saturday. We'll be back with another one for you tomorrow. Have a great day and stay cool.